to gather such a successful event. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention Senator Sitara, whose contribution for managing all this has been tremendous. Your tireless efforts, I think you should give a big hand to Senator Sitara. Your tireless efforts have created a platform for parliamentarians from around the world to come together and discuss this critical issue of road safety. I also want to extend my gratitude to the delegation of the European Union to Pakistan for their contribution in this two-way conference. Ladies and gentlemen, having been and having seen through the 2 days program of this conference, in the list of distinguished panelists, and one of those was just my brother, Senator Mushahid, I could only hear him, started the road infrastructure development through initiating a motorway project known as M2, which is between the cities of Lahore and Islamabad. This initiative was later on expanded throughout the country, and by now it has phenomenally expanded, and we are almost covered through motorways the entire country. And recently, in the last decade, this initiative has been extended to China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC. This infrastructure development, as I explained to you, now forms lifeline of Pakistan's road infrastructure. It has enhanced the quality and length of roads considering future needs of the country and providing much needed road travel, comforting to significantly road safety. When I say that keeping into the future needs, when the government in early 90s of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif initiated the project motorway from Lahore to Islamabad, there was a huge criticism. I'm sure many of you would recall that this is not need of the country. The existing highway, which is now known N5, can be expanded, etc., etc. But later on, everybody realized that it was a future vision for this country, that was essential thing to do. And not only the country stopped there, the country expanded the motorways throughout the country. So I think the country is now fairly developed in terms of road network. However, the present PDM coalition government, which obviously includes Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, is again working on the fast track to enhance the length and quality of the roads in the country to facilitate the economic development of the country. It is also actively pursuing effective enforcement of road safety laws to ensure accident-free traffic flows in the country. My fellow senators and parliamentarians, members of the National Assembly, they all from time to time keep using their energies, efforts and their skills to to make improvements in the laws, even in the bills which are presented by the cabinet and by the government, to make sure that these goals are not overlooked. Ladies and gentlemen, as parliamentarians, it is our duty to find necessary solutions to improved road safety. We must act now and act fast. At local and global level, to deliver, we first need to embrace change. We cannot continue doing the same things and expect different results. We must introduce road safety measures with a goal to reduce road facilities and serious injuries by 50% by the year 2030. And that's the target which has been established by the United Nations Global Action Plan on Road Safety, as per my information. Ladies and gentlemen, the target can become a stepping stone for all of us before reaching the ambitious goal of no deaths and serious injuries in the future. Let us pledge together today to join this ambition. It is achievable, it is doable, provided we, the parliamentarians, have the will and the skill and the effort to make sure that we move on that road with speed. The conference has been a great opportunity for parliamentarians to share their experiences, knowledge, and best practices. And I'm sure that the valuable insights and discussions which took in place would be helpful in shaping the future of road safety initiatives in our respective countries. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end, I would like to stress the importance of continuing the efforts to improve road safety. We need to focus more on legislation, comprehensive enough to control traffic laws and rules, and strictly ensure the implementation. Many laws remain unimplemented or weak in enforcement, and that also causes a lot of damage in almost all fields of life in any country. The loss of precious lives and the financial burden caused by the road traffic accidents are a tragedy that affects families and communities across the globe. As parliamentarians, we all have a responsibility to work together to make our roads safer for all the citizens of our respective countries. I hope the visiting delegates had wonderful stay in Pakistan, and I am grateful on behalf of the government and Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif for their presence, for their participation, for their great contribution. Frankly speaking, when I was invited by Chairman Senate and the organizer of this event, Senator Sitara, I was amazed. I said, are they sure? Are they probably calling the Transport Minister or the Communication Minister office or Finance Minister's office? But I readily accepted their invitation because this is of great importance, perhaps as important as finance in any country, because it means the lives of people and their safety. So I'm grateful, and I compliment once again the organizers of this event. It has been a wonderful event. I'm most grateful to honorable delegates, IPU, IPC, and all foreign delegates who have been kind enough to visit Pakistan and be part of this great exercise. God bless you all.